Some breaking news coming in before that. Riya Chakravarti's father, Indrajit Chakravarti, is being taken to the Enforcement Directorate office now for questioning. Not the first time, but he's being taken for questioning as we speak. We'll get you those live images in just a moment from now. Indrajit Chakravarti, who Riya Chakravarti talks about in this grilling by India Today, has just been taken to the Enforcement Directorate office for questioning. Remember, the Enforcement Directorate is tracking the financial angle, the money trail angle, the money laundering angle, the cheating and the fraud angle, the companies on which Sushant, Riya Chakravarti and her brother Shoik were all directors. This is a question that Riya Chakravarti takes in the India Today grilling as well. And right now, the man you see on your screen, Indrajit Chakravarti, Riya Chakravarti's father, a former army man, has just been taken for questioning once again by the Enforcement Directorate. Vidya joins me live from Mumbai. Vidya, Indrajit Chakravarti being taken to the Enforcement Directorate once again for questioning. Take us through what we know so far.
Well, Riya Chakravarti and her father have been to ED office, and this is not the first time that they're there, but certainly ED needs to question them a lot on the financial aspect. Remember, it's a money laundering case that the ED is looking into, wherein they feel that the money that has been taken in from Sushant's account has been laundered into various other properties, and that's one of the reasons why this entire investigation has to be done by the ED. And at this moment, they need to speak to Riya and her father to find out the details. They had been asked certain documents as well, and they have brought that to the ED office.
Okay, so those documents have been brought now to the Enforcement Directorate office. Anything you're hearing about who else is going to be called? We saw Shoik being questioned by the CBI. Indrajit Chakravarti being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate. What about Riya? She's just faced grilling by India Today. When is Riya going to be summoned, Vidya?
Riya has already been questioned by the Enforcement
Yes.
Directorate. Remember, she was the first one in the entire family to actually reach the ED office a few days ago. In fact, CBI is the one which will be questioning her further. But ED will obviously, because if they find that the documents do not really match, the figures that are reflected in various documents do not really match, then that entire investigation will need a statement as well. And that's the reason why this interrogation is very important of the father, and then it will be put across to Riya as well eventually.
In an excerpt that's coming up here on India Today, we grill Riya Chakravarti on the Enforcement Directorate questions, what she's been asked so far, the documentary evidence of money laundering that she's been faced with so far, the directorship on companies with Sushant, and the angle of financial pilferage and the allegation that she has been a social climber who was looking to gain from Sushant Singh Rajput. All of those questions, unsparing, one by one, in excerpts here on India Today, full play out at 7.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.